Hello students, this is Kilkil and today we are going to learn about circulatory system. Now you tell me, what does the word circulation mean to you? Because circulatory is the word which is coming from the word circulation, right? Circulation means what? Any guess? Yes, you are absolutely correct. That is, circulation means something flowing away, right? Flowing in and out, whatever, okay? Now, if we are talking about any animal body, any human body, anything, then what can be circulated inside the body? Yes, any idea? Yes, right. That is blood, and through this blood, what can be circulated? The food, the nutrients, exactly. The nutrients and the oxygen that we inhale, right? That also flow through the blood, through our entire body. That is the circulation. And the excretory product that also go through away from our body, that also through this circulation. Okay, so these are the circulatory systems parts, functions parts. Okay, now what are the parts that are taking part in the circulatory system in human body? Yes, right. That is, as because I have told you that oxygen we are inhaling, right? So oxygen is going through our nose and then ultimately it is going to our lungs, and then it is going mixing up with blood and going to the other parts of our body. Similarly, the nutrition for digestion and all the metabolisms are working inside our body, and then the excretory products are also going out. Okay, so these are all the circulations. That means the parts which are taking the circulatory system's parts. What can it be? Lungs, you have told. Okay, blood, and bloods are going through the blood vessels, that is veins, arteries, right? And what else? Yes, right. Human heart. Okay, and lymph, yes. Now tell me that where our heart is situated in our body, if we are talking about human body. You know, right? It is in the left side. Left side means it is just in between the lungs. Now tell me, how many lungs do we have? Right. Two lungs, right? So in between the two lungs, our heart is situated. And I've already drawn the heart, that human heart structure for you. Okay. Now, we will discuss first that what is the actual function of the heart. That only today we will learn first. Okay. That's very interesting. I know you can guess a little bit. So let's do it in proper way. Okay. Now, when we take in oxygen through our nose and the nostrils, then it is going to the lungs, and then it should go to the other parts of the body, right? So it will go through the heart, then it will go to the body. Okay, so I have already written its lungs. Okay, so the oxygen that we are taking inside, it will ultimately go to the lungs, and then that oxygenated blood, okay, as because it is a fresh blood, so I've marked it as red. So it will go through this veins. Okay, these are the pulmonary veins. Okay, now there is a difference between veins and arteries. Veins, you can see that these are very thin, right? So if it is a thin pipe, you guess that whether the blood can move through this slowly or faster. Yes, slowly. And the arteries, these are arteries. Okay, arteries are a little bit thicker. So in a large pipe, if you consider, then the blood will flow fast, right? Okay. So our human heart has actually 4 chambers. Okay. These two are the atrium and these are the ventricles. Okay. Now this is my left side. So this is left atrium. This is right atrium, this is left ventricle, this is right ventricle. Okay, and these are the pulmonary. Pulmonary means the word which is coming through the word lungs. Okay, it is related to the word lungs. Now pulmonary veins carrying the oxygenated blood from the lungs, it is going to the left atrium and it will knock the door. This door is known as mitral valve. Okay, it will just can open to this side only. Okay, so the blood will come through this door to this valve and it will come to the left ventricle and it will directly go to this aorta. Okay, through this aorta it will go away to the body. Okay, and the whole body will get that oxygenated good blood. Okay, now as because this valve will open to only one side, that means the blood which is coming to the ventricle, it can never go back to the atrium again. Okay, now these two ventricles are separated with this is a septum. Okay, and this whole heart is it has a cover. Okay, that outer cover which is known as pericardium. Okay, now so oxygenated blood we are getting through all the body, I mean to the all the other body parts. Okay, now all the other metabolisms are working inside our body, then the deoxygenated, that is the dirty thing. Okay, it is generating now that carbon dioxide that is forming inside. Okay, it should go out. We actually exhale the carbon dioxide, right? Yes, but it has to go out from our body because it is also, it has mixed up to our blood after all the metabolisms in the body. Now it has to go out. It will go through the lungs and then after at the end it will go out through our nose, right? Yeah, so it will go again through this heart. Okay, now the whole body from the whole body, this deoxygenated blood that is carrying carbon dioxide, okay, it will come through these two veins. Okay, this is superior superior vena cava, this is inferior vena cava. Okay, it will come inside this right atrium, then it will come here. This is another gate, another door which is known as tricuspid valve. Okay, now this will again open to this side to the ventricle, so that it will just come through this valve to the right ventricle. Okay, and through this pulmonary artery it will go out exactly and directly to the lungs for the purification, and from there the carbon dioxide will ultimately go out through our nose. That means we are getting rid of this carbon dioxide. Okay, so this is the main function which the human heart is working. Okay, now we will learn about more these things, that veins, arteries and blood and so many things we have. We will learn all of these things but in the later classes. Okay, for today only this is, and if you have any query, any doubt, you can just contact and inform me. Okay, so for today it's okay.